Winter is such a beautiful season. It enhances the color, texture, freshness, aroma of every vegetable. So, why don't we make something today that incorporates the winter freshness of vegetables and also finger lickingly good? So, hello and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to make mushroom methi matar malai. So, देर किस बात की? Let's get started.
Into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and let it melt. Add your mushrooms, which are cut into pieces. Stir gently so that the mushrooms don't break. Now add fresh peas into the pan. You can add frozen peas as well. In that case, soak them into warm water before adding. Add salt. I have added salt at multiple points in this recipe. You can do it as per your choice. Cover with a lid, open and fry till the water dries up. Now on a separate fry pan, add vegetable oil to it. Add red onions, garlic and green chilies. Saute them until onions become translucent. A handful of cashew nuts and almonds into it and fry. Add 1 tomato diced into small pieces. Add salt. Keep frying until tomato melts. Now transfer the fried mixture into a blender to make a smooth paste and keep aside. Now in the same pan, add chopped fenugreek or methi leaves into vegetable oil. Keep frying until it reduces and dries up. Keep this aside too. Wash the pan, add ghee to it, to which add cumin seeds, coriander seeds, green and black cardamom. Wow, what an aroma! Awesome! Now your blended mixture goes into it. Stir continuously at this point to avoid sticking into the bottom of the pan. Now ground spices. I have red chili, turmeric and cumin powder, and here I have cinnamon powder. Adding half a teaspoon sugar, which is optional. As you can see, oil is getting separated from the mixture. At this point, add fried methi leaves. Mix them. Add fried mushrooms and peas. You can add a little water if it is too dry here. Adding salt for the final time. And now I have 1 cup of milk, which I am tempering with a small portion of the curry. This prevents the milk from splitting upon being added to the curry. At this point, lower the heat to minimum. Add some kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Gravy thickens. Add fresh cream into it. This gives the gravy that smooth and creamy texture you will crave for. Look at that. Now final garnishing with fresh cream on top and you are good to go. Enjoy with paratha, naan or pulao.
Hope you all liked the video and trust me, you will enjoy cooking it even more. Any inquiry, my comment box is for you. Like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care till then. I will see you soon. Bye bye.